Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So if you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button besides it so that you get notified whenever I push up a new video. So students, today I'm going to solve a question which was asked in IIT JEE exam. Okay, and apart from this, when I had posted a question, or rather when I had posted a video about finite series, how to find an answer or how to simplify a finite series, at that time a lot of you all had asked me what about infinite series. So here is the video for that. And if in case you want to have a look at the finite series video also, then the link of that will be available on top and somewhere in the description as well. So do go ahead and check it out. Okay, so now over here the question is the value of 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus it will go on up to infinity. Any series which does not have a finite end or which goes up to infinity is called obviously as infinite series. Okay, so over here when you look at something like this, do not get panic. I'm telling you the trick is so simple. The moment I show you the trick, you will start working on it and you will get the answer yourself. Okay, so what we'll do first is we'll say let x is equals to 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus it will go up to infinity. Okay, now if you look closely, can I say that therefore x is equals to 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus, if you remove this part, then can I say all of this is nothing but just my x, correct? Because my x was nothing but 4 plus 1 upon 5, right? Plus 4 plus which was infinity. So the rest of this part I can still consider it as what? Your x, correct? So what will we say is that, in fact, sorry, it will go from here. Okay, so it should be 1 upon x. Okay, so now what you should be doing is very simple. You just have to do x is equals to 4 plus 1 upon, let's take LCM over here. So we have 5x plus 1 upon x. Okay, then we know that when you have something like this x will go directly in the numerator. If you have confusion related to this, then I have made a separate video about fractions. I will push up a link somewhere on the top and in the description as well. Do go ahead and check it out. Okay, so here I will have x is equals to 4 plus x upon 5x plus 1. Okay, now what you need to do is, let's take LCM on your right hand side. So we have 4 into 5x plus 1 plus x upon 5x plus 1. Okay, students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also students, don't forget, at the end of this video I will push up a DIY, means a do it yourself question which you need to do, and you need to use the trick which I just showed in the video and solve it. And let me know your answers in the comment section. I will read your answers and let you know whether you're right or wrong. Okay, so now we can take this 5x plus 1 on the other side. So here it becomes x into 5x plus 1 is equal, so let's open this bracket. We have 20x plus 4 plus x. Here also we'll open this bracket. So we have something called as 5x square plus x is equals to 20x plus 4 plus x. So now if you look closely, on the either side of the equal to, we have x with the same signs. So if we shift this x on this side, we get a negative x, so they can cancel each other. So now you are looking at something like this: 5x square is equals to 20x plus 4. So this will actually turn out to be a quadratic. So let's write this down: 5x square minus 20x minus 4 is equals to 0. So now if you want to factorize this, so you will get 5 into 4, which is 20, but you cannot get the factors in such a way that you will come out, that you will get the answer as minus 20, or rather the plus or the minus of the factors will get you a minus 20. So in that case, what we do is very simple. We just use your quadratic formula, which is what? X is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let's substitute. We'll get we'll get minus b, which is minus of minus 20, which becomes plus 20, plus minus root of 20 square is 400 minus 4 into minus 4. So we have something like this, 4 into minus 4 into 5, okay, upon 2 into 5, which is a. Okay. So you can write this as something but 20 plus minus root of 400, minus into minus will get you a plus. So this is 4 into 4, which is 16. 16 into 5 is going to get you a 80 upon 2 into 5, which is going to get you 10. Okay. So this then now becomes 20 plus minus root of 480 upon 10. Okay. Now 480 can be written as what? It can be written as 4 into 30, correct? So let's write this down. So we have x is equals to 20 plus minus, this will become actually 16 into 30. So when I take 16 outside the root, it becomes 4 root 30. So you will get 20 plus minus 4 root 30 upon 10. So splitting, we get x is equals to 2 plus minus 2 by 5 root 30, and that is your answer. Is it right? No, that's actually wrong, because we will not take the negative values in this case. Okay, so your final answer would be just x plus 2 upon 5 root 30. Now you might be wondering, why did I take out the negative value? Because if you look over here, all the answers are just going to get you a positive value. Okay. So now students, please understand, while explaining it takes a lot of time, but trust me, once you got the trick, it will become very, very easy. So let's try and do the next one, and in that we're just going to directly start with the quadratic. Okay. So here we have something like this. So we can write x is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon x, which will get you x is equals to 2x plus 1 plus 1 upon 2x plus 1. Okay, I have done this very, very quickly. If you do not understand, you can go and do it stepwise as well. No issues in that. It's just that if you're attempting an entrance exam, you need to be a bit quicker. Okay, so when you multiply this, you get 2x square plus x. Sorry, this will be x is equals to 2x plus 1 plus x. So your x's are getting cancelled. So you have 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So very, very quickly, let's put this in your formula. So we have minus b, which is minus of minus 2 will get you 2 plus minus root of b square, which is 4. 4 into minus 1 will get you plus 4. So plus 4 into 2 will get you 8 upon plus 4 into 2 will get you 8 here, and then you will have 2 upon 2, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, so now you will have x is equals to 2 plus minus root of 12 upon 4, which will be 2 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. So we will be having 0.5 plus 0.5 into root 3. That is your answer. Okay, so you saw how easily we did it. Even after explaining also, I just took a minute or more than like more than a half a minute or more than that to solve this particular question. Okay, so now time for your DIY, and this DIY was asked in one of the IIT papers. Okay, so let's go. The question is, find the value of 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 plus going up to infinity. Okay, so do let me know the answers of this particular question in the comment section. So that's it for now. I will very soon see you in the next video. Bye.